Today we'll quickly do tutorial of a list in a Python. So first you can create an empty list either using the square bracket or you can use the built-in constructor called list. So first we'll see. Now you can see the type of the variable. So it is a list type of variable. Now list can store mixed types of data, even list tuple. Okay, so we'll quickly create a list with mixed data type. Now we will print the list. Now you can add single element into an existing list. So for that we will be using the append function. So now if we quickly check the list, now you can see the element has been added at the end of the list. Now for multiple element addition into a list, you can use the extend function. Now quickly we will check the list. Now you can see 2024 and 2025 have been added at the end of the list. So that's it for